Welcome guys to this new YouTube tutorial. In this one we will building this awesome navigation bar uh, with the flex display option. Alright, let's get started. So here we have a blank boilerplate, and what we need to do for having a navbar is declaring a header. In here we can have a div with the class of navbar. This will be containing all the elements in the navbar, which is this home and these menu items. Alright, so we have our home and an unordered list with our menu items. So we'll be having for menu items with home is the first one. Then we have about, contact, and log out. Alright, cool. That's all we need for this navbar. So let's refresh. There you go. That's what we have. Now we need to style this. So let's create a style.css file and link it in the HTML file. Okay. Now we'll be starting with removing all the margin and padding from the HTML file and giving everything a box sizing of border box. There you go. Now we'll be targeting our navbar. Let me see how to type that. Navbar, there you go. Now, first thing first, we can give it a background color of FF. Actually, let's just give it orange red. There you go. That looks good. So this is our navbar. Now we can give it a display of flags, so everything just comes in line. There you go. And we can do the same thing for our unordered list. So display flags. There you go. Now everything is just on one line. And let's remove those dots from the list with list style none. Alright, good. Now to display the home and the unordered list this far apart, we can use the justify content property to space around. There you go. And let's align items vertically in the center. Alright, that's very cool. Now we can give some color to this text of white. Nice. And let's give it some padding of 20 pixels. Or let's say 15. There you go. Alright, looks better. And for this list, for to have the items far apart from each other, with this space right here, we can give the individual items some margin, 0 top and bottom, and let's say 10 pixels left and right. There you go. Maybe even 15. Sweet. We can even make the font size larger. Sweet. And let's give it a cursor of pointer, so when we hover over it, we have the pointer cursor. Nice. Last thing, we're going to build this bar under the home list item. So how we can do that is give the list item home a class of active, And in the CSS, we're going to say div after. So we're going to use the after pseudo element, and first thing first, give it the content of nothing, a width of 100%, a height of 2 pixels. So far we're covering the whole width of the element, so 100%, and the height of 2 pixels. Okay, let's give it a background color of white. Now, why is it not showing? Because we need to say, we need to tell the computer to put it right under the home text. So we're going to do this with position absolute and bottom 0, left 0. And for this to work, to use position absolute, we need to give the parent element a position relative. There you go. Now it works. We can put it a bit lower, so -3 pixels. There you go. And that's it. The only thing missing is the font, but you can just use your own simply by typing here font family and whatever you like, and not this. There you go. Thank you for watching. See you next time.